Everyone, good morning to our respected principals and academic directors, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Hazel Bararia, a student of class 51, getting this honor to host this morning assembly. Let's begin our day with learning and joy. Now let's start our day with positivity. So I would like to call Hanif Patidar for an inspiring thought.
Everyone, my name is Haris Patidar. I read in class 6A1. Today I represent thought. Stop wishing, start trying, learning in the reward of every effort. इच्छा करना छोड़ो, कोशिश करना शुरू करो. हर प्रयास का इनाम सीखना होता है. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Hanif. Forward. Before moving forward, let's increase our vocabulary. Benevolent. This means kind and generous. Now it's time to increase our general knowledge. So for the quiz, I would like to call Duty Bhatt for fun GK quiz. Let us study in class 5th A1. My first question is who is known as the god of cricket in India? Yes, the correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. My next question is in which year did India win its first cricket World Cup? Yes, the correct answer is 1983. My next question is in which Indian woman player won a silver medal player in 2016?
थोड़ा दूर हो गया.
Yes, the correct answer is PV Sidhu. My next question is how many players in a hockey team? No. Yes, the correct answer is 11 players. My next question is what is the weight of a filled hockey ball? I repeating my question. What is the weight of a filled hockey ball? No. Yes, the correct answer is 163 gram. My next question is what is the duration of a standard football match? I repeating my question. What is the duration of a standard football match? Yes, the correct answer is 90 minutes. My next question is which country have won the most FIFA World Cup? Yes, the correct answer is Brazil. Thank you and have a nice day. You are the joyful day ahead. Now, I would like to call Granth Bhatia for an inspirational speech. My name is Granth Bhatia and I am from class 5th A1. I am presenting a speech. Hard work is the key to success. Hard work means trying our best. If we work hard, we can do anything. Great people like scientists and players work hard every day. They never give up and keep trying hard work. Help us learn and grow. It makes our dreams come true. We should never be lazy. Success comes to those who work hard. So always study well and you try best. Hard work always gives you good results. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Now last but not least, I would like to call Astha Yadav to tell us the importance of study by a speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Astha Yadav from class 5th A1. I am represent importance of study. Education brings measure. Reading gives knowledge and shapes a good personality. The study can in a person's life and develops understanding. It sharpens the mind and helps us make better decisions. Study serves three purposes: delight, ornament, and ability. We study for pleasure, better manners, and success in life. Study makes us humble, wise, and disciplined. Reading prepares us for real life challenges. Study helps us gain knowledge and understanding the world better. It builds our future by giving us skill to achieve success in life. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you, Asta. Now we have came to the end of the assembly. I hope you have enjoyed this morning assembly. Remember, every day gives you the opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for cooperating me and my classmates. Have a wonderful day ahead.
छोटे बच्चों का आज भी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है, इनके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए।